All right, 2004 Ford 3-valve. Here's the timing chain guide is completely missing. It's supposed to be all over there. This is part of it here. There's chunks of it everywhere. It's another whole area just sits in. It's over there. So this car had a check engine light on for obviously correlation. The chain stretched, so it's not reading the same on either side. Now, my issue, besides that it looks like hell with all this black burnt oil, you can see all the rockers and stuff, get sludgy stuff on it. This is the issue. This is the new chain guide was inside this cover. Now, we took a risk, but I don't know if I love all this metal being inside the engine now. I'm gonna put it in a customer's hands and make that decision from there.